Samsung has launched its new modern 5G phone in South Korea, called Galaxy Wide 5, with a unique camera design. Talking about the specifications. The Samsung Galaxy Wide 5 features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with 20 stand aspect ratio. And it has a V-shaped notch at the top center that houses an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The red panel of the phone supports a triple camera setup and a squarish model at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 64-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 115-degree field of view, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy Wide comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset paired with Mali G57MC2 CPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. That is expandable up to 1TB via micro SD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 11, with One UI skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 15-watt fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on phone includes 5G dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.2 by 76.4 by 9.1mm, and it weighs around 207 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy Wide 5 has been priced in South Korea 449,900 Korean won. And it is now available for purchase in the country in black, white, and blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy Wide 5 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to Smartphone Specification YouTube channel for more smartphone updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.